If you're wondering what is bookkeeping, what do bookkeepers do, and how to become a bookkeeper, stay tuned. We'll answer all of your questions in this video, and we'll show you how to start a career in bookkeeping today. So what is bookkeeping? The definition of bookkeeping is the process of recording your company's financial transactions into organized accounts. And this includes recording, processing, summarizing, and reporting financial transactions. In simple English, the job of the bookkeeper is to make sure all the money that comes into a business and goes out of a business is correctly recorded. And bookkeeping is crucial for several reasons. First, it helps businesses stay organized and avoid financial chaos. Accurate records ensure that business owners have a clear picture of their financial health, enabling them to make informed decisions. Second, it is essential for tax preparation. Come tax season, well-maintained books make it easier to report income and claim deductions, potentially saving money and avoiding penalties. So if you want to have a good relationship with Uncle Sam, then you probably want to have good bookkeeping. And lastly, good bookkeeping helps in securing loans and investments. Financial statements generated from accurate bookkeeping are often required by banks and investors to assess the financial viability of a business. So let's look at some key tasks involved in bookkeeping. First up, recording transactions. This involves noting every financial transaction, no matter how small, in the books. Next is reconciling accounts. This means comparing the business's records to bank statements to ensure everything matches up. Then we have managing invoices. This includes sending invoices to customers and tracking which have been paid and which are outstanding. Another important task is tracking expenses. This means keeping receipts and recording all business expenses to manage cash flow and prepare for taxes. Finally, generating financial reports. These reports, such as income statements and balance sheets, provide a snapshot of the business's financial status. Now let's walk through an example to see what a bookkeeper does on a typical day. Sarah is a bookkeeper for Coffee Corner, a local cafe. Today, Sarah is going to 1. Record daily sales. Sarah starts her day by entering the previous day's sales into the accounting software, and this includes cash, credit card, and online payments. She ensures that each transaction is recorded accurately to reflect the true income of the cafe. 2. She'll reconcile bank statements. She compares the bank's records with the cafe's internal records to ensure that they match. Any discrepancies need to be investigated and resolved promptly to maintain accurate financial records. 3. She manages invoices. She sends out invoices to suppliers for recent stock deliveries and checks outstanding invoices from customers. This helps in managing cash flow and ensuring that the cafe's bills are paid on time. And 4. She tracks expenses. Sarah records all expenses, from coffee beans to utility bills. She keeps all receipts organized and categorized. Keeping detailed expense records helps in budgeting and identifying areas where the cafe can save money. And 5. She generates financial reports. She usually does these reports monthly, including an income statement and a balance sheet, which she reviews with the cafe owner. And these reports provide a snapshot of the cafe's financial health, which helps the owner make informed business decisions. Now, here are the skills you'll need to be a good fit for a career in bookkeeping. First of all, attention to detail. Accuracy is critical when handling financial records. Also, basic math skills. You need to be comfortable with numbers and basic math, such as adding and subtracting. Keep in mind that you don't need to do algebra or any advanced math. Also, organization. You need the ability to keep detailed and organized records. Computer skills. Basic computer skills are required to be able to use bookkeeping software like QuickBooks. Communication skills. These allow you to effectively communicate financial reports with clients and business owners. So how do you become a bookkeeper? Well, the good news for you is bookkeepers are in high demand and there's currently a shortage of bookkeepers and accountants. This makes the field easier than ever to break into, even if you don't have previous experience. And contrary to popular belief, you don't need a degree to become a bookkeeper. So what do you actually need to land a job as a bookkeeper? First, you need to have an understanding of foundational accounting principles along with the basic skills and knowledge of how to do the job of a bookkeeper. And this includes understanding financial statements, credit